Door installation in New Orleans is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. With a wide range of replacement doors New Orleans options available, including entry doors, patio doors, and French doors, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Door contractors in New Orleans offer expert advice and professional installation to ensure a seamless process. Custom doors in New Orleans provide a unique opportunity for homeowners to express their personal style. Whether you're interested in custom door sizes, door finishes, or door colors, New Orleans door experts can create a design that complements your home's architecture. Custom doors are an excellent choice for those seeking a personalized touch. Energy-efficient doors in New Orleans are becoming increasingly popular as homeowners look to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. New Orleans door services offer a variety of energy-efficient options, including storm doors and insulated door glass. Replacement doors. New Orleans is essential for maintaining the safety and security of your home. Over time, door frames, door hinges, and door locks can wear out, compromising the integrity of your entryways. Door replacement services in New Orleans can address these issues, ensuring your doors function properly and provide the necessary protection. Sliding doors in New Orleans are a stylish and practical choice for homeowners looking to maximize space. These doors are ideal for connecting indoor and outdoor living areas, such as patios and gardens. New Orleans door contractors can install sliding doors that offer smooth operation and enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Interior doors in New Orleans play a significant role in the design and functionality of a home. From traditional to contemporary door styles, there are numerous options to suit any interior decor. Door experts in New Orleans can help you select the right door materials and finishes to match your home's interior design. Exterior doors in New Orleans are the first line of defense against the elements and intruders. It's important to choose durable door materials that can withstand the local climate. New Orleans door services offer a range of exterior door options, including storm doors and energy-efficient doors, to protect your home while enhancing its appearance. Door hardware in New Orleans is an essential component of any door installation or replacement project. From door locks to door hinges, the right hardware ensures the security and functionality of your doors. Replacement doors. New Orleans experts can recommend high-quality door brands that offer reliable performance and durability. French doors in New Orleans add elegance and charm to any home. These doors are perfect for creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. New Orleans door contractors can install French doors that enhance your home's aesthetic appeal while providing excellent functionality. Patio doors in New Orleans are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enjoy their outdoor spaces. These doors offer easy access to patios, decks, and gardens, making them ideal for entertaining and relaxation. New Orleans door services can help you choose the right patio doors to complement your home's style and meet your functional needs.